more attendees. It's not what I mean. It's not my own rules. I didn't create this. This happy-go-lucky type of lectures that make people feel good about their own sins is also not realistic. Anyone that lives in the real world knows it's not realistic. Real life is tough. Real life has problems. Real life has obstacles. Real life is not easy. The real part of the Torah explains to you why. It tells you that even when you get suffering, there's a benefit to it. There's some sin that you made 5 years ago that Hashem gave you 5 years to do tshuva for. You didn't do it yet. So he has to give you a little bit of a punishment, a little slap in the face. You lost $5,000. You were really supposed to lose $500,000, but you did tshuva. You saved yourself $495. Now, but you're still going to get $5,000 worth of damages. You think it's the worst thing in the world. You lost $5,000. In reality, you don't realize that he just saved you $495 by delaying punishment and giving you time to do tshuva. You think the flat tire that made you lose the appointment, that lost a $5,000 contract, is the worst thing in the world. In reality, the original punishment was not a flat tire.